equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Changing the battery in your Conga 1090 can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, it's a straightforward process. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure you have a replacement battery that is compatible with the Conga 1090. Begin by turning off your device and unplugging it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the Conga 1090. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using the flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage the casing. With the back panel off, you will see the battery compartment. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the compartment with your soft cloth. This will ensure a good connection for the new battery. Now, disconnect the old battery. You may need to gently pull on the connectors to release them. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so don't hesitate to reach out for help. With the old battery removed, it's time to install the new one. Connect the new battery to the connectors, ensuring they are secure. It's important to double-check that the battery is oriented correctly, as incorrect installation can lead to issues. Once the new battery is in place, replace the back panel of the Conga 1090. Align it properly and press down gently until it clicks into place. Now, take your Phillips screwdriver and reinsert the screws you removed earlier. Make sure they are tightened securely, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can damage the casing. After securing the back panel, it's time to test your device. Plug it back in and turn it on. If everything is working correctly, congratulations! You've successfully changed the battery in your Conga 1090. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your device serviced without any hassle. Plus, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Finally, always dispose of the old battery responsibly. Many local councils have battery recycling programs, so check with your local centre for options. This not only helps the environment but also keeps your community safe. And that's it. You've completed the battery change. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.